Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be swatching and reviewing Catrice Cosmetics limited edition travel ICONails in 5ml nail polishes. And we've bought this collection at Shopee. Each bottle is sealed with a sticker like this. So let's try peeling it off to open the bottle. Okay, so it's very sticky and I don't think it's advisable to peel it off. So let's just stick it back. Now let's cut it with a use-off cutter. After the slicing procedure, let's check out the brushes. Oh, they have a fan-rounded edge brush, which is my favorite brush because it gives you more coverage and it doesn't make any huge mess on the skin of your nails when applying. Okay, so all of the brushes are in good condition. So it's time to swatch these beautiful babies. Before every swatch, I'm applying a peel-off nail mask. Let's first swatch Ciel de Paris. As you can see, it has a combination of shimmer and holographic glitters on a pinkish red copper-like sheer base. Now for the second coat. Now let me show you this shade with my flash on. Now let's move on to the second shade, which is London Calling. Now for the second coat. London Calling has a shimmery purple shade that shifts to a green color. Third shade to swatch is It's Up to You, New York. Then for the second coat. It's Up to You, New York has a foil finish with a mixture of red and silver metallic effect. Next shade is Summer in Berlin. Now for the second coat. Summer in Berlin has a beautiful bronze shimmer shade. And the last shade from this collection is Skyscrapers in Dubai. Then I'm applying the second coat. Skyscrapers in Dubai has a creamy light nude shade with a shimmer effect. This collection was released on 2019, and this limited edition travel ICONails by Catrice Cosmetics are in 5 ml bottles. We've bought this at Shopee for 189 pesos each. The formula of the nail polishes are easy to apply and it's fast drying too. All of their brushes have a fat and rounded edge type. Plus, I'm loving how each bottle is sealed with a sticker. I'm super happy to complete this sparkly and beautiful collection. Each bottle has their city's famous landmarks. And I really love the bottle design, and the print on the bottle is so beautiful. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!